For review question 5, sketch the graph of y equals to x minus 4, x plus 3, indicating the x-intercept, y-intercept, line of symmetry, and the turning point. So to find the x-intercept, I will have to sub y equals to 0. And to find the y-intercept, I will have to sub x equals to 0. Okay, so from here, let's begin with our x-intercept. I will first sub y equals to 0, x minus 4, x plus 3. And my two values of x will be x minus 4 equals to 0, x equals to 4, or x plus 3 equals to 0, x equals to minus 3. So these are my two x-intercepts. All right. And then next one, we'll continue with my y-intercept. For y-intercept, I will sub x equals to 0. So 0 minus 4, it's a minus 4. 0 plus 3, it's a 3. And this gives me minus 12. This is my y-intercept. And as for the line of symmetry will lie exactly in the middle of the graph. Okay, so to find the line of symmetry, I just have to add the two values of x up and then divide by 2. All right, so this is for the line of symmetry. I will add 4 plus minus 3 and divide by 2. I'll get a half. Okay, so my equation of symmetry is actually x equals to half. All right, and last but not least, I have my turning point. So to find turning point, very simply, I just have to sub x equals to half inside my original equation again, and I'll get y equals to half minus 4 and half plus 3, and that would actually give me a negative 12 and 1/4. So my coordinates of my turning point, it's half, negative 12 and 1/4. So after getting all these points, all these 4 points over here, I'm ready to sketch my graph. Okay, so I will first sketch out my x and y axis. Remember to label them. Okay, for my x-intercept, it's a minus 3 and 4. So to determine whether if this is a positive or a negative graph, I will have to first look at the coefficient of my x squared. And in this case, x squared, it's a positive 1. Therefore, this is a positive graph with a happy face. All right. So it's going to be a U-shaped graph. Okay. So my two x-intercepts are minus 3 and 4. My y-intercept, it's minus 12. So just make sure that it is in the negative portion of the y-axis. My coordinates of turning point, it's half, minus 12 and 1/4. And last but not least, I have my line of symmetry over here, which is equals to x equals to half. So this value over here is half. And after getting these 4 points, I am done with sketching my graph.